coordination between the government, the local governments, and the people is extraordinary, and I think that is a way how China could control and manage this pandemic here in China. Every citizen and officials at different levels, they are working together to fight this pandemic, and that's why China could overcome this big challenge with this large population.
Zambia has got about 4,600 students in China. Not even one was sick. The results are very clear. The Chinese government informed its people that it wanted to preserve their lives, and they acted very quickly. That is very, very impressive. And actually, most of our countries were trying to learn from how China did their lockdowns. And you can imagine when it started spreading, everybody was scared. But within a very short time, China managed to contain the disease because of the measures which they took. And really, we are very impressed with those measures. And you can see now, for a very long time, there were no infections of COVID in China. And even when there are infections, really, the way they quickly, take charge and inform the communities. There is security and everybody is checked and nobody is giving problems because we know that is for our own good. So really, what China is doing is very, very impressive.